In a town named Blossomville, Max cherished painting.
Cherished. To feel or show great love for something or someone. In this context, Max cherished painting, which means he loved it greatly.
His skills were proficient.
Proficient. Having a high degree of knowledge or skill in a field. In the story, Max is proficient, which means he's very skilled at painting.
Yet, he felt his work was lacking.
Lacking. Not having enough of a certain quality. Max felt his work was lacking, meaning he thought it needed something more.
Max needed inspiration, so he ventured around town.
Venture. To go somewhere despite the risk of possible dangers. Here, Max ventured around town, meaning he took a risk to seek inspiration.
During his journey, he stumbled upon a beautiful scene.
Stumbled upon. To find or discover something by chance and unexpectedly. In the story, Max stumbled upon a beautiful scene, which means he found this lovely view unexpectedly by chance.
A garden appeared before him. A majestic cherry blossom tree was there.
Majestic. Something that is very beautiful and impressive. The cherry blossom tree is described as majestic in the story, which means it is very beautiful and impressive to look at.
Max made a decision. He resolved to paint it.
Resolved. To make a definite and serious decision to do something. In the story, Max resolved to paint the cherry blossom tree, which means he made a serious decision to do it.
Max's daily routine was set. He endeavored to capture the tree.
Endeavor. To try hard to do or achieve something. In the story, Max endeavored to capture the tree's beauty, which means he tried very hard to do it.
He saw his work, but he wasn't content.
Content. Being happy and satisfied with what you have. In the story, when it said that Max wasn't content with his paintings, it means that he wasn't happy or satisfied with what he had created. He felt he could do better.
The paintings didn't fully depict the tree's charm.
Depict. To represent by drawing, painting, or other art forms. In this context, Max wanted his work to depict the tree's charm, meaning he wanted his paintings to accurately represent the tree's beauty.
One ordinary day, something happened. He encountered a woman named Lily.
Encountered. To unexpectedly experience or face something. In the story, Max encountered Lily, which means he met her unexpectedly.
She was different. Her beauty was radiant.
Radiant. Looking very happy. In the story, Lily is described as radiant, which means she looks very happy and bright.
Max felt something special. He sensed a deep kinship.
Kinship. Feeling close or connected to someone. In the story, when Max feels a kinship with Lily, it means he feels a strong friendship or bond with her.
Under the tree, they often sat. They conversed about many things.
Conversed. To engage in conversation. In the story, Max and Lily conversed under the tree, meaning they spent time talking together.
Lily's presence was powerful. She invigorated Max.
Invigorated. To give strength or energy to. Lily's presence invigorated Max, meaning she gave him strength or energy.
His artwork changed. It became more vibrant.
Vibrant. Full of energy and enthusiasm. Here, Max's artwork became vibrant after meeting Lily, meaning it became full of life and energy.
A sad day came. Lily had to leave Blossomville. Max was heartbroken. He was desolate.
Desolate. Feelings of great unhappiness or loneliness. After Lily left, Max was desolate, meaning he was very sad and lonely.
Despite this, he painted. His memories of Lily brought vigor.
Vigor. Physical strength and good health. Despite his sadness, Max's memories of Lily brought vigor to his painting, meaning they gave him the strength and energy to paint.
His painting became more than just a tree. It was an emblem of love.
Emblem, a symbol. In this context, Max's painting of the cherry blossom tree became an emblem of love, which means it became a symbol that represents his love for Lily. Now, let's recap the words. Venture, to go somewhere even though it might be risky. Stumble upon, to find something by chance. Majestic, very beautiful and impressive. Resolve, to make a definite and serious decision to do something. Endeavor, to try hard to do or achieve something. Content, being happy and satisfied with what you have. Depict, to show or represent something. Encounter, to meet someone unexpectedly. Radiant, looking very happy. Kinship, feeling close or connected to someone. Converse, to talk. Invigorate, to make someone feel stronger or more energetic. Vibrant, full of life. Desolate, very sad and lonely. Vigor, strength or energy. Emblem, a symbol.